What is the secret code pilots use for dead bodies? I'll tell you, but first, if you think airplanes are amazing, like and subscribe. If someone dies during a flight, the crew won't announce it. Instead, they use a secret code like HR for human remains to discreetly inform the staff. Some airlines even have designated storage areas for bodies on long-haul flights. If there's no space, the body is usually covered with a blanket and left in their seat until landing. Would you stay calm if this happened on your flight? Let me know below.